Alright, welcome to the channel. This video is brought to you by Coman Group, and today we're going to be talking about earning income using Instagram, and you can use this as a CPA method. Okay, so let's get right straight to it. But before we get straight to it, there are three levels in making money online. Okay, the first level is GPT sites, PTC sites, surveys, stuff like that, where you click for earning money, or you do stuff like viewing websites for earning money. The second level is free methods, where maybe you like the one I'm going to actually be talking about right now. The method I'm going to be talking about right now is a free method. Okay, that is the second level of earning money online. That's going to earn you maybe a couple hundred dollars, a couple $100 per month. The first level probably going to earn you $20-$30 a month, and then the third level is the pro level, where you find people that are earning 4 digits, 5 digits, and in some occasions 6 digits online, because they are using professional skills, professional marketing strategies. Okay, so we're going to discuss something that is on level 2, so that you can increase your income. So let's get straight to it. Alright, so how do you make money using Instagram? Okay, so this is how you do it. First of all, the first thing that you have to do here, you have to choose a niche. What is a niche? If you're not aware what a niche is, it's what I'll say genre, although that doesn't apply here. But in music, you have genres, right? You have hip hop, you have R&B, you have different genres. So it's the same thing here. You have niches like the make money online niche. You have niches like maybe the gaming niche, the health niche. So you have to pick something that you are interested in. Okay, it's not really useful to just pick a niche because somebody said that niche is popular, or it's gonna make you money. If you are not interested in it, you are not gonna work it. When it gets hard, you're just gonna give up because you don't have the love for it. Okay, so you need to have the love for it for you to persevere. Okay, so now that niche must have a decent demand, but that's not a prerequisite. Okay, you can be even in a small niche. I know people who are doing like small niches who are still profitable. So it's great if it has a lot of demand and you love it at the same time, and you get good at it, because then you're gonna get much more money. But at the same time, even if it's a small niche, if you work hard at it and you really love it, you still make decent money. All right, so now you must be connected to a product. Okay, so if you are in the health niche, you better have health products, because it doesn't make sense to be in the health niche and then sell I don't know, make money online products. So your niche has to be in line with your product. Okay, because you want to make money after all, right? So choose the niche, choose the product. Moving right along. After that, a lot of people know how to create Instagram accounts nowadays. So you create an Instagram account. It has to have a catchy name, but that name has to be simple and catchy. But it has to be simple, something that somebody can remember. Not something that's going to be long and complicated that people cannot remember. It has to be something simple. Okay, and your description has to be short and fun. Make use of emojis in your description. Make sure that there's a call to action in your description pointing towards a URL going to your product, or maybe your landing page, or whatever the case might be. Okay, so there has to be a call to action in your description, because right below your description there is your URL that you want to put over there. Instagram allows you to do that, which is amazing, you know. So you have this entire platform where you can just promote yourself for free. Okay, so after that, obviously you're going to want to gain followers. Now, you know what, when it comes to social networks like Instagram and Twitter, it's so much easier to connect with people because that's what they're built for. They're built for connecting with strangers, you know, whereas Facebook is built for connecting with your friends, you know. But you know, it's much more difficult to connect with strangers on Facebook. But on Twitter, on Instagram, it's easier to connect with strangers. Okay, here's how you do it: post daily pictures relating to your niche. Let's say maybe you have your own products. Just post pictures of your product, right? Maybe watermark them with your URL or something like that, but make sure that they exciting quality pictures that, you know, are going to grab people's attention, that people are going to like, because people aren't just going to like something just because it's there. They will like something because it's likable. Okay, and then when you've posted your picture, before you post it, make sure that you use hashtags, right? Instagram does give you hashtag suggestions. If you type hashtag something, hashtag this, hashtag that, hashtag health, it's gonna give you suggestions. Make use of those suggestions because, you know, I've made use of them before and they really help, because when you use hashtags, people can discover you and you get likes, follows. So many things happen to just one single post that you made because you have hashtags. Okay, so that's how you're gonna get followers. That's how you're gonna get likes. You can start from scratch, from 0 followers, 0 everything. And by using hashtags, you can build your following, you can build your likes, you can build your shares and everything like that. Okay, so also be active, you know. Follow people that you really feel like, man, this channel, you know, not this channel, this Instagram account really inspires me, or I like what they're doing. Follow. Don't just follow anybody. Follow somebody that's in your niche, somebody that inspires you within your niche. Follow those, or go to a page within your niche and follow the people that are following that page. Does that make sense? What you need to do is go to an Instagram account, right, that is related to your Instagram account, preferably a big one, right? And follow the people that are following that account because they are still within your niche. Those are your consumers, right? So it's even better to follow those people than to follow the actual account that is doing exactly the same thing as you, because they're less likely to follow you back. If they do follow you back, they will follow you back because they got inspired by you, but they're less likely to buy from you. But the users, or the Instagram users that are following the person who's in the same niche as you, who has much more followers than you, are more likely to buy from you if they do follow you back. Okay, so basically the whole moral of the story is remain active. If you are active, this will grow your account to be huge organically. Okay, and if you grow your account organically, you're growing people that are actually interested in your product, and you realize that, you know, you become profitable. So you can also make use of, don't just stick to Instagram. You can also make use of forums. You can make use of social media. You can make use of sharing websites, you know, to drive traffic to your Instagram. You know, you can use YouTube. You can use a whole lot of other methods just to grow your Instagram accounts. Okay, so don't just stick to Instagram, but first get your Instagram promotion right, and then you can go to other strategies to grow your Instagram, right? So it's good to note that Instagram does allow you to open up to 5 accounts per IP or per phone or something like that, right? And some really big names do make use of that strategy where they open more than one account, and they have one main account, and then the other accounts, they just lead to this main account. They put their main account in the link within the other accounts. Okay, it's just to have a bigger presence in Instagram. So you can do that as well. Okay, it's not really a prerequisite, but you can do it as well. Also, if do not make more than one account if you're gonna lose your focus. It's better if you just have one account and you focus on it and you grow it, and then when you're done with it, you go to the next account, focus on it, grow it. When you're done with that, go to the next account, focus, grow, until you have a really, really, really big presence in Instagram. And the bigger your presence in Instagram, the more sales you're gonna get. Depending on what niche you are on, the sales will happen based on that. All right. So that is the method for you to make money from Instagram, and take action, try it out. You know what I'm saying? If you don't take action, you're not going to see the results, and you're not going to learn. There are things that you're only going to learn yourself by trying something out. Okay, so that being said and that being done, I'm inviting you to the pro level, the level where you make more than just a couple $100 online, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to learn how people earn extra income or replace their income or earn money from scratch. Learn ninja tactics that pro marketers use for free. So if you want to learn professional pro level marketing, online marketing, pro level money making online, go to the description below. There's the video description below. There's a link over there where you'll gain free access to the Transformer Course tool. Okay, so go below, click there. It's free information that you're gonna get over there. Great information, taking you to the pro level, showing you how you can market professionally online and make way more money than what you're doing right now. All right, so that's about it. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share with your friends. Great information. All right, cheers.